Today, we're putting 3 different cornbread brands to the ultimate taste test. We have Krusteaz, Martha White, and Jiffy. We're going to try them and see which one deserves a place on your table. To begin, we have Krusteaz Southern Cornbread. Let's pour this here. Now, the best way to make cornbread is with buttermilk. We're using buttermilk for all of them, okay? Then I'm going in with buttermilk according to the packaging, okay? And also, I'm adding 1 egg. Then we mix just like that. Okay, there you go. Up next, we have Martha White. This is actually my first time trying this. So pour this in. This a little crumbly for some reason. This looks like it's going to be dry because it only requires half a cup of milk, okay? But we're using buttermilk. Oop, take that out. Give it a mix. Maybe not. Oh, wow, okay. Mix it up real good. Last but not least, let's pour this in. This one is a little crumbly as well. Going to add our buttermilk. And this one called for 1 egg, okay? Mix it up. This is a little dry, I don't know. Perfect. From what I'm seeing, Jiffy is a little bit more grainy. Like it has, the cornmeal is more coarse in here compared to the other one. They're more thin, very fine. Like this one is very fine. And this one is even more finer. Just gonna spray it a little bit and we pour. This is a little bit runny. So we'll see. Now we pour this one in here. I'm going to bake this on 400, okay guys? Last but not least, we have Jiffy going in. This is giving me like a, you know how when you have a pancake batter, when it sits for too long, it gives you that texture. That's what this one is giving me, like it has some type of, not yeast, but like baking soda. So it feels real to me. Now we're going to bake it. I took up pictures just so I remember which is which. So yeah. Let's see. 375, 400. We're going to bake them on 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, I'll see you back here in 20 minutes. All right, guys, we have our cornbread nice and baked. It's time to dig in and see which one is better. It's time for the moment of truth, you guys. As you can see, I have it nice and cut up. Let's try it and see which one worth sitting on your table. So let's try this one first. This one is the Krusteaz. It's a little dense. Let's give it a try. Okay. Let's try the other one. This one has a lot of sodium for some reason. I can taste the salt. Let's try this one. This one is Martha White. It's giving cornbread texture a lot more. Let's try it. Okay. A lot different from this one. This one is more dense. This one is giving cornbread. It's sweet. Now we're going to try this one, Jiffy. Very, very coarse, like I said. Let's give it a try. And it's giving texture like cornbread for sure. This one, it's really good. This one is sweet. It's buttery. The texture is perfect. I would say these two are the best so far. Normally, I make Crusties. I love Crusties. They have another flavor that I like. For some reason, I'm leaning more towards these two right here. I like the texture better. I like the flavor better. So, which one is better between these two? I would say the Jiffy. It's very, very, I like the texture. I like the flavor. It's not too dry. I normally don't go for this, but now that I actually taste all of them, I really like this. I will give this a 4 out of 5. Weird, I know. I would never thought I'll give this a 5, but if you're looking, well, it's my opinion, regardless if you like any of these, but Jiffy will take the top for this one. All right, guys, time for the verdict. What I like the most is this one, Jiffy. Let me know down below what you want to see next, because I would like to start incorporating these type of videos on my channel. So let me know which of these you like, and also which other type of videos like this one you want me to try. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.